everybody.
How proud of you, how proud are you of your son right now at this very moment?
Obviously very proud, of course.
What would you like to say to everyone who supported Brett in this whole edition?
Guys, I would like to thank every fans, sa lahat ng bumoto, sa lahat ng walang tulog, sa lahat ng pagmamahal at mga nakigulo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you very much.
All right. At ngayon, mga kapamilya, we have with us the 16th big placer, Brett! Your prizes.
You have a check worth 100,000 pesos from Candies and a Sony Vaio laptop.
Brett, congratulations. I'd like to ask you a question lang naman. Welcome back to the outside world. What can you say to all of your fans who supported you during your whole stay inside the Big Brother house? They want to hear your voice.
Thank you so much to everyone. If you really have big dreams, just follow them. I love you all. Mahal na mahal kita, Pilipinas. Mahal na mahal kayo.
Oh. Maraming salamat, Brett. Thank you.
Thank you, Brett. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Brett!
Congratulations. Mga kapamilya, sa punto ito ay tutuloy na natin ang ating mga bigating announcements. Pinaralangalan na natin ang ating 16 big placer. And I am back, teen housemates.
Ang bilis! Oh my God!
Mabilis talaga mga pangyayari. Lumabas na nga si Brett, pero sino naman kaya ang susunod sa kanya na babalik dito sa outside world? Sino na ang kailangan ng bitawan ng mithi maging kampiyon sa pagtatapos ng kompetisyong ito? Ito na ang pangalan ng ating 5th Teen Big Placer. Listen to Miss Lingitan.
Garnering 137,402 votes or 15.14% of the total number of votes. Congratulations! You are the Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash of 2010 15 Big Placer. Ivan.
And for the Sony Vaio, Bravia Marketing Officer, Zoraida Lipayon.
At syempre, kasama natin ang mga mahal sa buhay ng ating 5th Teen Big Placer, Tita Luz and Tita Emmy. Tita, hello, good evening and congratulations. Rinig po namin ay gustong-gustong pumunta ngayong gabi ng mga magulang mismo ni Ivan. Ano po ba yung kwento doon? Ano po yung nangyari?
Wala kasi silang makuhang direct flight from LA to Manila. So, nag-San Francisco sila. From San Francisco, na-stranded sila doon.
Naku,
I'm
sayang
sure wherever
talaga.
they are, they're so proud of Ivan.
Ano po ang masasabi niyo sa pagkapanalo ni Ivan? Bigyan niyo ng maikling message ang kanyang mga taga-suporta.
Kami pinagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta kay Ivan mula una hanggang wakas. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
Thank you very much, Tita Luz and Tita Emmy.
Mga kapamilya, our 15 Big Placer, Ivan!
pesos from Candies.
Ivan, congratulations for making it this far. Siyempre, gusto ka naming marinig magsalita. He's shaking.
Yes, and he's in
You're
shock.
nervous, you're overwhelmed by this plenty of people here in the Inares. Okay, so Ivan, how will you describe the whole experience of living inside Kuya's house?
Every second of every day inside Kuya's house is worth it talaga. I'm so thankful for meeting Kuya and having him teach me everything I've learned. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.
We've learned so much from you. Maraming salamat sa pagiging bahagi mo ng Pinoy Big Brother Teen Clash. Sino nga kaya sa apat na natitirang Teen Housemates ang mananalo sa edisyong ito? Abangan ang lahat ng yan sa pagbabalik ng